the pop art on the Supra.
Yeah, I definitely want that. That would make it crazy stand out. I don't want it on that Supra. I definitely don't like that on the Supra.
Right now, you don't want to change the color. You want to do it just correct.
Yeah, definitely I would do that pop art. That would inspire. When it's your own car, and you're pulling off PPF, that's being a pain in the ass. I'll go on slang right now.
R-E-V-E-A-L.
Yeah, you gotta question some things right now. I'm not gonna lie, that matte red looks fire though.
It does, right? That's what I was staring at before when you guys were talking.
You want to leave it like this?
I wish.
I want to try and do a whole car like that. If you want it.
What, a matte colored car?
A matte finish. Stuff his car down with his paint underneath.
And just leave it with no clear coat.
And leave the purple.
But put a clear coat that's matte that comes out like this.
Oh, that would be fire.
Then he wants to be the little
Full style takes to be in the middle of the day.
Bro, the GTR, when me and Yanni get done with it, he's 400 horsepower to the wheel.
No, yeah. Right.
It's getting pistons drugs.
Yo, you're in the wrong field. Just go into the destruction derby.
Honestly,
Bro, you should build a destruction derby car.
Derby car.
That's what you need, bro.
Yeah, but he's gonna build that out of a hurricane.
That's what you need. Instead of a fucking cement.
We should make that car.
You seen the
I think our mechanics are being lazy and don't want to properly diagnose it.
I think it's been sitting here for like a month and nobody's
Yeah,
been
no,
looking at it.
honestly, I think we should drain the motor, drain the oil.
$144,000 if you're willing to spend. Look, 1 of 10. Fully gutted M2? Yeah, bro. That's all we need in life. But I'll put a hydro in that, you're Gucci.
This shit is
There's no airbags, no ABS, there's nothing on it. That's pretty much. Yes,
Bro,
Yeah, but you only get
1.4 million. There's only 50.
You know, that's like the Mercedes that CLK car, you know what I'm talking about?
Oh, the GTR. Yeah.
I had a CLK back in the day.
My cousin had one too.
Bro, I thought I was the shit because of that GTR car.
Came out. He had the Acer blue. It was like a metallic sky blue. What the fuck is going on?
Your wrap shop. Your paint shop.
So this is 2 for 2 this week. First it was the 240, now it's the Supra. We're looking for an exotic. We have a supercar, Lambo, Urus, Huracan, Ferrari, Porsche. We're doing it for free. So if your car is wrapped, even better. If not, we're gonna wrap it. So hit me up, reach out, and let's get the ball rolling.
I heard we're doing it for free.
It's spray paint time.
And I felt like it should be here because like if you're a thing, it's either in the front or it's in the back.
Yeah.
So I'd rather have motherfuckers see the shit behind you.
Normally I put it on the windshield, but the windshield's so small I don't want it on the windshield.
So I'd rather just like this then. Keep it like just a little
That's
piece.
fine.
You know, this is a nice little spot. I had this end and this end to measure it up.
Alright.
And you had only 3 parts. So the good thing about your quote is this. Okay.
Alright, so basically right now, we're gonna start mixing the flake into the clear. Put in red flake. Which one was it? Fire red. Fire red?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna start off with 1 scoop per quart, and we're gonna see how it goes. 1 in there, 1 here. Let it mix and see.
Let's try the second one.
You wanna try 2?
Yeah.
What do you think? 2 is good?
It won't cover the paint,
No.
but it'll look good.
Yeah. And don't forget, it's gonna spray. So when it sprays,
It's gonna spread out more.
It spreads out. Now I'm just picking it up off out, so it's all clumped up and scooped up on the stick.
But you think it'll be like that?
It'll spread. It'll spread.
So what do you think on that?
I mean, me personally, if you want to show the art off, I wouldn't go more than 2. And it is a big flake too. It's not a micro.
When it's
When you spray,
yeah.
So what I could do, if it does spread too much, I could go back and hit it with a second coat with the same mixture.
No, I was not trying to go as much as the FRS. Yeah. So the idea was to go less than the FRS, but just enough so it pops the entire car.
Ooh, no, that's insane right there.
That's only 2 scoops.
Possibilities here are endless. We have a 2025 Supra right here, manual. Car has less than 5,000 miles on it. And this is what we did to the car. Anime paint job. I had my boy Lord Henry pull through. He helped us with some of the design. We got my man Yanni. He laid down the flake coat, clear coat. I did the lines on it. Everything that we do here is a team effort. There's no I here. The car's pretty much in its final stages. It's compounded. We gotta polish it. We're gonna ceramic coat it, and then we're gonna send it for PPF, but it's pretty much done. We did a fun little project with this car. We decided to do a Christmas shoot with it. So this is Santa's sleigh. So if you guys go over to our Instagram, you'll be able to see the video. If you guys ever need any video work also, any reels, any YouTube, hit up Hardcore Romantic. He's our full-time camera guy, and he is venturing out. So if any other shops or any other content creators need content, check out all our content. He's the one that's doing all of it right now.
I can't believe I crushed the drift sleigh. I can't let Christmas be ruined.